Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the number value function. Now the number value function is new for Excel 2013, and what it does is it converts numbers that are text. They look like numbers, but you can tell that they are actually text because it's left aligned. You can see that numbers should be right aligned. So if I press the number, if I enter the number 9, you'll see that that is the number 9 here. You'll see if I press 9 and add a space and maybe another number like a 0, it's going to be left aligned. It's going to see it as text. Now the number, let me go ahead and just remove this. Now the number value is useful if you are getting data from, let's say from example, from UK sources. Usually in the UK or maybe other European countries that might see this is for the decimal separator, it's a period, it's a comma instead of a period in the United States, and for the separator for the hundreds or the thousands, excuse me, the thousands, it'd be a period instead of a comma for the United States. So if you wanted to kind of, if you're getting data from UK sources and you wanted to convert it to American type of a format where you'd have a period for the decimals and then a comma for the thousand places, you can use a numbers value to take care of that. Also, if you have instances where you have data from a system where it is using a space instead of a comma to separate the thousands, you can also use the number value to take care of that. So let's see how we use a number value. So I'm going to have this first example where I'm going to type equal number value. I'm just going to go ahead and press tab to complete it. The text is basically the number that you are looking to convert. So comma, what is the decimal separator? So the decimal separator here is a comma, and you have to enclose that in quotes. So I'm going to go quote, comma, quote, and then my next thing is this group separator. So I'll go ahead and press comma. You'll get into the group separator. So the group separator is your thousands. So in this instance, the group separator is a period. So I'm going to say open quotes, period, close quotes, close parentheses, press enter, and now it's converted it into a number. What I can do is I can actually just drag this down here, and it will also convert that because now there is no decimal here, but there is a decimal here. This would be $199.99. The comma has been substituted as a decimal, but there is no hundreds place, so it's not going to affect that. Now, if I drag it down here for this one, of course it's not going to work, and you know why? Because it really isn't. It should be $3,000.99 or 3,000.99. And so what I can do here is I can just remove the decimal separator and the group separator. The number values is going to ignore that space if I just do the number value and text. You notice that in this particular instance, let me go ahead and remove that parentheses so you can look at the tooltip here, the tip here. When it has brackets around these arguments, basically those are optional arguments. So really those are optional, but that is required, of course. That's the text. So if I go ahead and close parentheses and press enter, it will calculate the output correctly there. So for this type of situation, all you need to do is just reference the text. So there you have it. There's the number value in a nutshell. So if you have data that's coming in UK format, or you've got data that's coming in with spaces that represent the hundreds places, you can convert it over to a format where the periods represent a decimal. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.